Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to watch the sun set on Mars, painting the sky in shades of blue instead of orange? Or to stand on Titan and see Saturn filling half the sky above you, its rings slicing through the heavens like a cosmic blade? Today, we're embarking on the most breathtaking journey you'll ever take without leaving Earth. We're going to visit every planet in our solar system, plus some of the most fascinating moons. And I'm going to show you exactly what the sky looks like from each of these alien worlds. Forget everything you think you know about sunsets, starry nights, and moonlit evenings, because the universe has some spectacular surprises waiting for you. Let me start by telling you something that will completely change how you see our cosmic neighborhood. Every single world in our solar system has its own unique sky, its own color palette, its own celestial dance. And some of these views are so incredibly strange and beautiful that they seem almost impossible. But they're real. They're happening right now, on worlds that are waiting for humanity to visit them. We'll begin our journey at the center of it all, with our own sun, and then travel outward, world by world, discovering skies that range from hellish and orange to serene and ringed, from pitch-black star fields to hazy golden atmospheres. By the end of this journey, you'll never look at the night sky the same way again. So let's start close to home, on the planet that taught us our sun could look different depending on where you stand. Let's go to Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, and standing on its surface would be an experience of extremes. The sky here is completely black, even during the day. You see, Mercury has virtually no atmosphere to scatter sunlight, so the sky remains dark as midnight even when the sun blazes overhead. And what a sun it is! From Mercury, our star appears almost 3 times larger than it does from Earth. It's a monstrous ball of fire dominating the sky, radiating heat that can reach 430 degrees Celsius on the surface. But here's where Mercury gets truly weird. Because the planet rotates so slowly, taking 59 Earth days to complete one rotation, the sun appears to move incredibly slowly across the sky. If you were standing at certain locations on Mercury during its orbit, you would witness something called the retrograde sun effect. The sun would rise, pause in the sky, move backward toward the horizon, stop again, and then resume its forward journey across the black heavens. It's a cosmic dance unlike anything else in the solar system. The stars from Mercury are brilliantly clear, never twinkling because there's no atmosphere to distort their light. They shine steadily like diamonds scattered on black velvet. There are no colorful sunsets here, no twilight, no gradual transition from day to night. When the sun finally sets after weeks in the sky, darkness falls almost instantly, and the temperature plummets by hundreds of degrees. This is a world of harsh contrasts, where the sky shows you the universe in its rawest form. Now let's journey to our next destination, Venus, the planet of eternal twilight and toxic beauty. Venus is shrouded in thick clouds of sulfuric acid, and the atmospheric pressure on its surface is 90 times greater than Earth's. Standing on Venus, you wouldn't actually see the sun directly. Instead, you'd be bathed in a strange orange and yellowish light that filters through the dense cloud layers. The entire sky glows with this eerie, diffuse illumination, creating a landscape that looks like it's lit by perpetual sunset. The clouds are so thick that you can't see stars from the surface of Venus, not even at night. The sky is a featureless, glowing expanse during the day, gradually dimming to a dark orange at night. Visibility is limited, and the atmosphere creates a greenhouse effect so extreme that surface temperatures reach 465 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. But here's the fascinating part. If you could somehow float in the upper atmosphere of Venus, above the cloud deck, you'd see something spectacular. The clouds race around the planet in just 4 Earth days, driven by super-rotating winds. And from above them, you'd finally see the sun and stars. The sunsets from this altitude would be genuinely beautiful, with the sun turning deep red as it approaches the horizon, filtered through layers of atmospheric haze. Venus reminds us that beauty in the cosmos often comes in unexpected and hostile packages. Now let's travel to the one place in the universe where we know the sky intimately, our own Earth. Earth's sky is something we often take for granted, but it's actually quite special. During the day, our atmosphere scatters sunlight in a way that creates that iconic blue color we all know. The shorter wavelengths of blue light scatter more than the longer wavelengths of red light, painting our sky in shades of azure. As the sun sets,